everybody, welcome back to another episode of Big D's and Liam's Custom Garage. I'm Big D, he's Liam. Anyway, so today we are back again on working on the engine compartment of Dark Sin. We're going to try like hell to get it finished up today, except for we're not going to be able to paint the frame rails yet.
But we're going to do some sanding and cleaning up and get some of the grease from the oil pan off the cross member.
I'm going to paint the inner fenders, the radiator support hopefully, and yeah, going to try to get all that knocked out today. That's the plan anyway. Not going to do any work on the interior. So anyway, don't really have anything else to touch on that I can think of. No? All right, well, we're going to get to work. So here we go. Okay, guys. So real quick, just want to let you guys know that pretty much the rest of today's video is going to be in hyperlapse doing all the work, because if not, our videos would be like 3 or 4 hours long. So we are going to be switching over to hyperlapse now. Please enjoy today's video, and we will see you at the end. All right, here we go. Hey guys, welcome back. Just giving you a real quick little update here. As you guys can see, Liam's trying to air dry everything off as best as we can to speed up the process. But I've got that inner fender is completely sanded now. It's ready for paint. But most important of all, me and Liam have spent probably the last hour or hour and a half completely going over everything with Purple Power degreaser and Scotch-Brite pad, and scrubbing everything down. So whatever grease there was left is now non-existent. Even the paintless wiring harness is back to looking brand new. You guys can see the Hotchkiss suspension better now too. Yeah, it's going to be upside down, but there's that. Now you can even see over there, there's Hotchkiss there, there's Hotchkiss there, the springs are Hotchkiss. It's got 2-inch drops on the front. I think it was 2 in the front, 3 in the back. Okay, so 1.5 inch drop in the front, 2 in the back. But yeah, we've been busting butt, but just wanted to give you guys a real quick update in normal speed, and now we are going to get back at it. So here we go. Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and paint the inside of this fender because it's ready. And yeah, figured we'd do it in normal speed for you guys so you can see everything. As you guys can see, we sanded all of this by hand in today's video. Still got to sand the other side, which we are going to do in today's video. Like I said, we're going to get this engine compartment painted, but figured we at least do one side for you in regular speed. Now I'm using this box to make sure I don't get overspray on the fender like Liam suggested. Okay, here we go. Make sure you, when you do stuff like this, make sure you stay far enough back that you're misting your paint. Having a little bit of a reaction. Paint will do that sometimes. Hopefully it's not from the degreaser that we used. It shouldn't be because we rinsed all of that off really well. Yes, I'm kind of painting my overflow bottle because it's kind of looking a little, yeah. So, look at that. I didn't tape it off, guys. Ooh, look. I'm just that good. Just kidding. Just kind of getting what I can right now. See how it having a funky reaction over here. Also got to remember, guys, well, you guys don't have to remember because we ain't said it yet. It's a little cold here. Not crazy cold, but it's a little cold. So that might be playing a little bit of part in this, but we will see. Because so far, everywhere else seems to be doing okay. But we'll see. We'll just keep going with it and see what happens. Put a couple layers over it if I have to. Ain't that big of a deal. Just want to get it painted and stuff like that. Again, we're trying to get it ready for the motor to go back in. That way, when the motor's ready, we're trying to get this to where it is as motor ready as possible, to where when the motor's ready, we can drop it in, hook shit up, and it basically be same as ready to go. So that's the goal here, is get this up and going. So yeah, I don't know where I was gonna say something and then I lost it, so brain fart situation. Okay, now up here, I'm gonna lay my box down for a second because I need to get my hinge out the way. Stand back so I don't get runs. And again, guys, if you didn't watch the previous videos, we are using Duplicolor engine enamel. And you may be asking why. Because it is chemical resistant, heat resistant, so that way if chemicals, fluids, oil, gas, whatever gets on it, it's not gonna
eat at the paint, it will basically be able to be wiped off, which is good. Okay, get up in here, like so. Yep. Get this stuff painted up here.
Up, helicopter.
Yeah, it happens.
Bastards, we're trying to record a video. Get flight clearance next time.
Okay, that's our first coat. Gonna let that sit because obviously, like I said, we're having some type of reaction in certain areas. Again, I don't know if it's because it's too cold or what. I'm just gonna, we're gonna let this cure for a little bit. Not gonna run the fan on it because it will just make it colder, and then it will take even longer for it to dry. What would help is if our damn sun was right over the top of us right now.
It's getting there. It's like half of the car right now.
But the good thing is we can continue working. We'll come back to you guys and finish this up in a little bit. We're going to switch back to hyperlapse now and get back to sanding so we can get the rest of the stuff ready for paint. All right, so here we go. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we got most of the painting done and most of the sanding done as well, but as you guys can see, we're still having a bit of a reaction with the paint. Can't quite figure out why. This side we sanded vigorously, even down to bare metal in some of the spots, and we're still getting kind of this weird reaction in spots. But we've figured out, like we did on the other side, that if you do multiple coats, it eventually covers, but you still got like these runny looking spots. But we're just gonna have to deal with them for now. But we ran out of paint, so we weren't able to finish up all of our painting like we wanted to. But our package, or I keep calling it a package tray, but the tray up underneath the windshield's completely finished. It looks amazing. As you guys saw in the video, we did a lot of hand scrubbing and degreasing of everything. It looks even better now that it's completely dried out, as you guys can see. And you guys, again, can see the Hotchkiss suspension there and there and again right there. But most importantly, for you guys that are new to the channel, but you know that this is an El Camino, we'll show you the goods underneath. All right, there you go. We have full adjustable Hotchkiss suspension, Hotchkiss sway bar, performance shocks. There's our Holley fuel pump, all of our fuel lines. We got disc brake conversion on the back. The rear end's completely built with 373 gears in an Eaton posi unit and built axle shafts. So this car is no joke to you guys that are new to the channel. And then you look up here, if you guys have never seen it before. We'll peel it away real quick. There's our fuel cell. So, yeah, we ain't playing. Anyway, with that being said, we gave you guys that little bit. We'll be back with you in just a minute. All right, guys, welcome back. As you saw, we got quite a bit done today. I wish we would have got a little bit more done, but again, ran out of paint. So we're gonna have to hold off just a little bit until we can get some more paint. But hopefully we can have some more paint bought up by next Wednesday. So anywho, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's episode. We will be back this Saturday on our normal time for our live stream. So we will see you guys Saturday. Car talk and other things with Big D and Liam right here on our YouTube channel. So again, that is 11 a.m. Mountain Time. We'll see you guys then. Come and join us. Talk about your projects. And again, we appreciate your guys' support. Spread the word about our channel. Help us get our numbers up so we can start getting these projects out quicker and get out there and enjoying them with all you guys and sharing them with all you guys. So yeah, keep supporting, keep spreading the word. We appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you guys this Saturday. I'm Big D.
I'm Liam.
And we're out.